Hello and welcome back. Try again. Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins. Today I have a Pobjoy Mint purchase for you. We have the blue Pobjoy Mint velvet purse, and this is what we've got inside. We have a Queen Elizabeth II portraited, and it is from the Ascension Islands. It's dated 2020, so it's just on 2 years old, and it is a special commemorative coin. It is a crown. You have there, then it's a crown, it says it's a crown, and it says Christmas. So this was issued for the Christmas 2020, and it shows Scrooge here. This is Scrooge, and I believe these three cartouches present the three ghosts. It goes to Christmas past, present and future, and this is Scrooge in the centre. It is a silver coin, and Scrooge himself is frosted, as is this second ghost here from the bottom. The second one is also got a frosted ghost. The other two are just outlined against the silver coin. This coin was based, I think a lot of Christmas coins that year outside of the UK were based on Charles Dickens' Christmas Carol. It seems there was 3 or 4 different ones. I believe the Jersey or the Guernsey sets. I think it was the Jersey set from 2020 was on the Isle of Man set, I think, were to do with the Christmas Carol. I think it was the Isle of Man, the Jersey and this coin, I think, were all to do with Scrooge and the Christmas Carol theme. So, a crown, you'd need 4 of these for £1 on the old system. It is a lovely coin. I like it, which is why I bought it, of course. What do you think? Would you want this as part of your collection? I do have a separate collection of Christmas coins. It's rather specialised in that respect, and this does fit into that category. Do you just collect Christmas coins, or do you collect, or you're an all-round collector like myself as well? So, what do you think of this coin? Let me know in the comments below. I personally like it. It may not be to everybody's taste. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are just buying coins, I hope you can get them for the price that you want to pay. Lastly, if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. It doesn't take a second of your time. And if you're one of the people who are returners, or even if this is just your first time and you've enjoyed this, please think about subscribing. I'd love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins and banknotes on YouTube. So, finally, thank you for watching, and until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far in the distant future, from me, ta-ra now, bye bye.